What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Mustang B back with another video. And today we're just gonna be basically getting the two valve back together. It's been sitting for a while. I just came back from airing up the tire on it because, like I said, the tire's flat on. It's been sitting for a while. So what I'm really gonna do is just put the tire on there and just go take it for a spin around the block. There she goes right there. You can see. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this tire on, and then we're gonna take it for a spin. All right, now we got that all. All right, so now that we got the tire all snug in, it's probably gonna need a jump, so I'm gonna hook the battery cables up, and we're gonna do a cold start. All right, now that we got the battery connected on both ends, I'm gonna put the camera at the back of the car so you guys can get a cold start video of it, so you can hear how she sounds. I'm gonna set this up real nice. Sound good. Gotta find somewhere to mount this thing in because I have no place to really mount this. So I probably can put it right here, but it's probably gonna be pretty loud being that the shifter is right here and I do not have the shift boot covering. I don't have the shift boot covering on right now, so I can see straight to the ground. So I'm pretty sure all the road noise is coming through, but we're gonna take a little ride, just a little spin. Just because I haven't took it out in a while, I just want to go and get a feel for it again, you know what I mean? Let's see how she rides. Like I said, it's been a while. So again, I'm riding around. Last time I drove it, I had to change the fuel pump in it because it was running real bad, like missing. So I changed the fuel pump, put a new fuel pump in it, and I took it out, and it still had that missing, that sputter to it. And so I just parked it because I didn't really have that much time to mess with it. But now that I have this Christmas holiday break, I thought maybe I should pull her out and see what she does. I got a half a tank of gas in it right now. Boy, she sounds good. Anyway, about the car. 2003 Ford Mustang GT, full bolt-on, professional product intake, pace setter head, long tube headers, hand-in, cold-down intake, BDK X-pipe, cherry bomb glass pack mufflers, 373 gears, Stator tri-axle short shifter, basic car. We're almost to the spot where I can make a little hit, so I can see how she does. I'm trying to readjust this camera. And like I say, she's been driving real good. It's only when I get hard into it, full throttle, when she wants to sputter and stuff like that. Other than that, the car drives fine. Alright, I'm gonna put this camera down real quick and probably make a little hit. I still feel it spluttering a little bit. When I'm in it, I can feel it, jerking. So I'm not sure, 100% sure what that could be. But I gotta say, that was a pretty decent pull. I felt it jerking in and out. But like I said, other than that, that was a pretty good pull. My tires are very shitty on here, but I'm gonna stop and try to do a dig. Let's see if I can get a dig. I'll do a little dig. I'm not gonna heat the tires up, like I said, at these points they bald anyway. So yeah. Probably gonna do a little baby launch on it. Not bad, dog. Real fun car to drive around here. Like, other than that, like I said, it moves pretty good. I just wanted to pull it out real quick just to go do a little ride, man. Feels real good to ride in it. I haven't rode in it in a while, like I said, but be looking out for more videos on the channel. I'm gonna be posting more videos, just simple stuff,